Tired of Adobe Creative Cloud but don't want to lose your precious apps? Let's walk through how to uninstall Creative Cloud while keeping those applications safe and sound. First, open Creative Cloud, click on your profile icon in the top right corner, and then select Preferences. In the Preferences window, navigate to the Apps tab here. We're going to temporarily disable updates to prevent accidental removal of your apps. Uncheck the Automatically Update option. This setting disables the automatic updates. Head over to the Installed Apps section where you will see the applications installed. Now, close Creative Cloud, go to your system's control panel, find the Programs and Features section, and search for Adobe Creative Cloud now. You're ready to uninstall the manager. Right-click on Adobe Creative Cloud and select Uninstall. Follow the uninstallation prompts, and choose the option to remove only the Creative Cloud application, not your installed apps. It's critical not to remove any apps here. After the uninstallation is complete, reboot your computer, check and make sure your Adobe applications are still there, and now they're free from the Creative Cloud application.